Third circle. And plie. Head circle. Third circle again. And plie. Shoulder circle. Turn in, turn out. Relax. Stay tendu. Pull the ball. And hold tendu, don't move. Right now, twist. Let go. Waiting for 7. And open. Plie. Tendu front. First. Feel the floor. Plie. Back. First. Back. And plie. Feel the damp point. Yes, use the floor. And plie. Tendu side. Second position plie. Push up. Round back. Slide down. Hold, don't move. And up. Plie. Really way up. Stay. Tailbone forwards, stomach in, shoulder down, upper body forwards, hold. And plie. Finish it down.